Today we're going to be talking all about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've been wanting to film this video for so long, but I wanted to give it a little more time to make sure that I could give you an accurate, like, wow, she's really been using this camera kind of review. And here we are. I've been actively using this camera since January. I got it for Christmas, December 2023. So I've been using this bad boy for quite a few months now, consistently, and I'm in love. I have so many good things to say about this camera. It's actually insane. Obviously, we're all content creators these days. It just is what it is. And this completely makes it so easy. And I have a ton of accessories. We'll get to that in a little bit, but this just makes it so easy. I personally own a jewelry brand. Shameless plug, shopluxxd.com. We have the best jewelry. Anyways, I own a jewelry brand. We do pop-up shops, especially during the summer. I am outdoors. But because of my little accessories that I have with this, I am able to just pop this on my tent and go. I've literally gotten an hour and some change of straight footage that I'm able to cut up, use for content while I'm working organically. I forgot it was going. That for me, worth every penny, because it's so hard for me sometimes to remember, like, okay, I need content here, I need content here, I need content, but I'm working, I'm busy, I'm literally working. So for me to have something where I can just pop it up, forget about it. I have this larger camera, but who wants to put that down and be thinking about, like, okay, let me keep an eye on it the entire time I'm working? No one. This is where she comes in handy. And also when I pull it out, people are blown away and conversation starter, okay? And that leads me to my next point. She's tiny. You see, she's in my hands, no problem. Of course, more to it when you add on more, stuff, create a little rig and all that. However, even if I just went out with this and I have plenty of times before I got all of my little accessories, I want to just film a quick, high quality TikTok or something. Here I am, just that simple. If I need to quickly film something for YouTube, I've turned the screen, easy. If I need to catch something in front of me, turn the camera. If I need to take a selfie, turn it back, so easy. Touch screen, you've got all these little options. Quick start button. This comes in handy when you're trying to catch something in the moment. We've got our little toggle here to, maneuver around the camera, whatever. I'm no professional reviewer, okay? I'm just telling you about what I love. I can get a little closer. Can you focus here? Maybe if I move. Yeah, just so many options. It's so lightweight, tiny, cute. It's the perfect little camera, and I don't know how I lived without it so long. The third thing I love about this so much is that it pulls out my creativity. Something about having this really just makes me feel like I want to create content. I want to play around with it. I want to push the limits. I want to see where I can put it, what kind of views and angles I can get. It just does it for me, okay? I have the creator combo, so I do have the microphone, the tripods, the filters, all that kind of stuff. I don't use them as much, to be honest with you. Hi, this is me recording. This is the audio by itself with no additions on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I find that the audio on this is perfect. It does not pick up a lot of wind. Personally, I do not reach for the microphone very often, and to be extremely honest with you, when I'm on the go, I'm not thinking about clipping on a microphone, maybe when I like actually sit down, do videos like this, but on the go, the audio on this still does the job. I have no problem. And then you can always, of course, go back and sharpen it up a little bit in your editing, whatever. But honestly, I don't have to do much to it. So yeah, she's just getting more and more cool points in my book, to be honest. That's why I wanted to make this review, because I'm not some big tech reviewer or anything like that. I'm an average person putting this bad boy to use. And yeah, I wanted to give you guys a really realistic view on this camera, how it's used, all that. Now, the camera itself is great, but it's the accessories that really take it up a notch. Let me show you. This first little accessory I bought, it was like $5 or $7 or something. And I thought I was really doing something, like this was gonna, take things up a notch. Little did I know. It's this little base, makes it so that you don't have to worry. I mean, The camera itself is pretty flat. This makes it easier to sit on countertops, a very flat base, so you don't have to worry about it like kind of being a little shaky. Obviously it's a camera. No matter how cool and small it is, it's a camera, and it costs hundreds of dollars. So you don't want to break your camera tipping it over on accident, you know? So this helps with like stabilization. Very nice to have. I have 2 of these. I think one's in my car because I thought I could put a little sticky something on here and use it just flat on my car. Did not work. Okay. But I did find an alternative, not for this, something else. Still love this, still use this from time to time. I just don't really have to because of these other accessories I bought. Oh, here's the microphone. I'm sure, like I said earlier, if you've landed on this video, I'm sure you've seen all the cool stuff. If not, here is the microphone that it comes with in the creator combo. I believe you can buy these separate. Yeah, it's a microphone. It does work very well. However, I'm just an on the go. I'm a mom. I'm usually like frantic running around. I don't really take a lot of time to like clip this on anywhere and do all the stuff, but it does work very well, in my opinion. But it also came with this little tripod. I don't really use this because I have a larger tripod that I use, but this is nice and it probably is worth the money. It's like the creator combo is great because it comes with so many things, but I find myself not using them, to be honest with you. So yeah, but I came to give you an honest review. So there's the honesty. Like this, I think I've used one time in what, 7-8 months. So yeah. Now, something that I do use is this little extender because it has the port. What is the actual word for this? I don't know the actual word for this, but it has the screw part for tripods. So this makes it so that you can screw on your tripods and all that. Like I said, I have a bigger one that I use from time to time. And then it just pops onto this bottom portion here, like so. Do I have this the right way? I do like the accessories and how they just kind of pop on and snap onto the camera. So there's that with the little tripod. Cute, very cute. Not bulky or anything like that, just snaps on, and then when you're done with it, you just pop it right off. So very nice. These next 2 accessories are probably what is like the game changer. And if you were to ask me what do I need to buy for this camera, it would be these next 2 things, hands down. Hands down. I got this little cage piece maybe about 2 months ago. I believe it's like 15 bucks on Amazon. This you absolutely need to get. I don't care if you have the creator combo, anything, you need this because on the back piece here is a magnet. Magnets make this the best thing in the world. The best thing in the world. Just pop this in here like so. You'll see obviously the front pieces line up to go in here. I have nails, so this is a little harder. You're gonna slide this little piece open. It has a little toggle up here. This secures here, so you don't have to worry about it popping off. And then you're just gonna snap it closed. Close that guy, and boom, you're connected. This is insane how well this works. Still very compact, but I can put it on anything. As soon as I got it, I was putting this on my bread box, on my car, everything. Okay, it makes it so easy. This was the first gadget I got where I was just able to pop my stuff on my tent and go. Forget about it at work. I adjust my little angles. Look at this. I can put this practically anywhere, obviously, that a magnet will stick to. The possibilities are really just endless, and I'm using them all. So well worth the money. Love her. Now, recently I'm like, I want to do some like cool car shots, but I don't want one of those big suction mounts or anything like that. Yeah, that's where this comes in handy. This piece also came with the camera in the creator combo. It is a longer version of that little extender piece I showed you earlier. Again, it just pops on. I still have the stickers on, but it just pops onto the camera like the other piece did. This one's just a little bit taller. This is the height difference for those. Comes in handy because then I found this little flat magnet. Hopefully you can see it here, but I just screw this magnet. This is my next one. I believe this one was only maybe like $7 or $8. All of it's on Amazon. It's all linked on my Amazon storefront if you ever need to reference back. But I literally just screw this on here. And even with this other magnetic rig on, I can just pop this on here. I always put this on the wrong way, but even with that one on, I can still just pop that on there. And now I have a magnet in the back and on the bottom. So literally, I can just pop this. It does add some weight to it, I will say that. I have a MagSafe car mount in my car. That's how I get a lot of my car shots, is by attaching this to my MagSafe car mount. My car mount isn't the most stable, however, it gets the job done. This magnet is great. My car magnet is not. So it kind of slips a little bit, but literally when I'm getting in the car, I can just pop this on my car mount and go. Yeah, so that's how I vlog in the car. When I got this a few weeks ago, immediately car shots. I want cool shots of me driving. I am in love. This right now is my ideal setup. Like I said, it is a bit longer. It is a little bit heavier, just a little bit heavier, but well worth it, and still so easy to just pull apart, pop off. I'm in love. Yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed hanging out with me talking about my favorite camera. Like I said, if you're trying to get into content creating or you just want something easy to use, this is it. Worth every penny. I highly suggest it. Let me know if you have any tips, tricks, accessories that I need to get, because clearly I'm into that. I'm actually rushing to get my kids, so I'm sure I'm gonna forget something. So if you have any questions, definitely leave them down below, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, please. If you sat here and made it to the end. If you made it to the beginning, really, don't forget to subscribe, because why not? I think that's all I've got for you guys. I'm in love with this camera and all the accessories, and I love how affordable all the accessories are. I forgot to mention that earlier. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you're thinking about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Bye.